القهوة ما تعمل في
When you're using a different language, you can feel like a different person.
is Arabic.
I think the cultural activities really put you in the moment. When you're caught up in the moment of like doing something fun or like doing a new activity, you can like just turn to your friend and use the language.
You're learning a language for hours and hours a week in a classroom, but then you go to stuff like this and you connect with people over food or drink or music. And you feel like you're getting to know the culture as well as the language.
Participating here has made me find a part of myself that's more outgoing. If you want to like find yourself a little bit, this is definitely the place to do it.
If you're interested in culture or other languages, you absolutely should do it.